Biafra National Guard don cut chain give Arise TV, tell dem say make dem no dey use their video or any of their pictures dey show any news wey be like say e no good, say dem no like am o. Oh, no be small thing. As we dey talk that one, they say Ijele don come outside for one video. E talk say for those who wan buy one man, e say na Ipob o. No be small thing o. I will go play you the video when they talk this thing, my people. No be small thing. My wonderful people, let's go and find out how this thing take happen. Oh, hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Barabas Gist. If today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Okwezioku still dey here. They bring you updates back to back as it dey hot. My people, things are happening. Abeg, share this video and make sure say you give the channel a follow for a quick update as it dey hot. Yeah, my people, as we dey talk right now, they say that Biafra National Guard don release a statement give Arise TV, tell dem say make dem no dey use their video or their name for any kind of a thing wey be like say e no good, because their hand no dey inside. According to this statement wey they release, we go play you for this video and make you hear am with your own ear. Let's watch the video together before we come back and proceed.
Announcement. For clarity and record purposes, the Biafran Provincial Government, BPG, Government of the State of Biafra, is not in any way associated with insecurity, terrorism, or any form of criminality. The videos and images of personnel of the Biafran National Guard, PNG, including that of the head of state, Biafran Provincial Government, BPG, and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the State of Biafra, General Innocent N.O.G., GCSB, in a false impression and interpretation of the mandate of the Biafran Provincial Government, BPG, Government of the State of Biafra, which is not connected to any persons, individual, groups, either home or abroad, involved in kidnapping, violence, and criminal activities in territories still occupied by the Nigerian terrorist forces. The association of our video clip in the Arise TV news report, military seeks media support to fight terrorism, end of quote, is malicious and a misinformation and will no longer be tolerated. This is a prior warning to Arise Television, every other media, and bloggers. It is no longer going to be tolerated. Our inalienable right to self-determination, autonomy, or self-government is reaffirmed in the United Nations Declaration of the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, UNDRIP, the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, and other international laws, instruments, resolutions, practices, and mechanisms. The Biafran Provincial Government, which is the territorial government of the land, territories, and resources of the 31 provinces, including the national provincial capital of the state of Biafra, Letu, Eda, aims to exercise the Universal Declaration promises to all the economic, social, political, cultural, and civic rights that underpin a life free from want and fear. For fact-finding and verified information about the Biafran Provincial Government, BPG, Government of the State of Biafra, please contact the official email biafranprovincialgovernment@gmail.com, biafranprovincialgovernment@gmail.com. Also, official X handle Biafran Provincial Government -BPG at BIAFRANPROVGOVT. That is on X. Thanks for your cooperation.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back as you don't watch that video and also hear the message where these people send go give Arise TV and people where they use their videos. They do one kind with thing like that. Yeah, my people, as that one they happen, oh, they say that Ijele don't come outside for this particular video. I go play for you here. He said that those people wey wan buy that man and the brothers, so he say na Ipob people na then do that one. Oh, my people, things are happening. Ijele again. No be small thing, my people. Let's watch the video together before we come back. Come proceed.
Una fuya, nya bullet. Fuya, eba. Neya. Nwa mu ke muna no. My niece muna no neya. Ese ba agba ese ba baya ni ma. Ono critical, ono ICU na. Mo nwunyem na eba, ebu nwunyem ni moto, mo ano here. No so no here. This boy no here, Chibeze. 4 of us na moto. Nda we kwusa we bupta iko for season, we bagidem Chineke mebere, we nwe the courage. People moto na agba na agba. Na dodge, na dodge. In the child motor, the other side of the mirror, abadi. This side abadi. You know that? So, when I talk about Nasi, no one name na ni bo pass you. Here name ko. Hey, praise the Lord, name. Our brother, for those of us who know they understand Igbo, he carry his wife, his nephew. And I think nephew then in boy where they trade with. Now in boy that granite catch from behind. Now some people may be blaming the man. Oh, why didn't he stop? My brother, thank you for taking that chance and not leaving your future, your destiny in the hand of another person. There is no guarantee that they will not have bought the whole of them, all of them. There is no guarantee they will not buy all of them. Hopefully, the brother in the hospital will survive it and recuperate. He said the guy was in the ICU, intensive care unit. So, hopefully, the guy survives. And this our brother, you are a man. He fought like a man. And there is a warning he gave to people. He said they should not listen to those that are telling you that there is nothing happening in the southeast. That you shouldn't listen to them, that things are happening. You can learn from him, according to him. The same thing we told them before December 1st, by the way. Now people were insulting us, shouting. At the end of the day, guess who became right again? Yours sincerely and his friends. We became right once again. Like, if we are who is keeping scores anyway? What's the score line? How many we don't tell them? Like, I'm happy it's coming from another person. Okay? Probably a supporter. I'm happy he survived it. He lived to tell the tale. So many people weren't so lucky, you know? So, my people, let's just hope our brothers and sisters who came back don't fall victim to the atrocities of this umuoshi, umutozo, mpamu, akpa, miya, fobrun, anu ọhịa ntoyi amuku matasirish. Buying people for nothing. Ali, but don't turn another thing. Shebi Usain Bolt saying go turn them to Somalia. Unati say na Nigeria. And that one on a saying on a place go turn to Somalia. Now I don't say it. Everybody don't collect breakfast. Thank you, my people. Stay blessed.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and hear what Ijele talk for this particular video, I beg may you share this video so that other people go get it, go know what they happen. And anything where you get to tell Ijele, may you still drop them for inside comment section as they hope. But don't forget to give the channel a follow and don't forget to share this video, because when you share video, people go to get the information and know what they go on. May our people they follow up, they know what they go on. So that's why they here, they bring you back to back update as they hot. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update as they hot. Stay tuned.